Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. Today I'm going to be doing a grocery haul. Alright, so today's video is going to be short. I had a more elaborate video planned, mainly talking a lot about emotional eating, which I already have a video before that I've done before, so feel free to go check that out. But basically, I'm not up to it right now. I'm behaving, don't get me wrong. But today is the anniversary of my mom's passing, and I just can't do much right now, mentally. So I went to the grocery store to get some healthy stuff, to keep myself busy, keep myself occupied, and I'm going to share with you guys what I bought. All right, so got a lot of stuff here. This should last me for a little while. So I'm going to start on the left end side. I've got some extracts, some butter extract, almond flavor extract, some sprinkle, and some I can't believe it's not butter. All of those are 0, and also liquid smoke, which is also 0 for the amount you use. These guys I got because I've been watching a lot of Barrett Pastor lately, and she has been doing these mug cakes that come out amazing. Well, she does them in a mason jar. I'll be doing them in a mug. Either way, they're fantastic, and I needed some stuff for that. All right, and moving down, got some taco seasoning because I'm going to make some taco stuff. And just so you guys know, 2 tablespoons of this is 0 points. Half the package is 1 point, and the whole package is 3, depending on how much you use. Oh, and I forgot to mention over here, sorry guys, I'm not mentally with it right now. The liquid smoke, I use a lot when I am cooking certain things, like some stuff that's happening over here, because it does add an awesome smoky flavor as if you're barbecuing. And I probably will be barbecuing soon anyway, but in the meantime, can do that. All right, I also got some turkey gravy mix, just for the fact that I wanted to be lazy and put it on random things. But this, oh gosh, that went blurry. I think 1 point per serving. I think that's what it originally said, 1 point per serving. My dry erase marker was going out. All right, also I got some Brussels sprouts, obviously 0 points. This section's gonna be my 0 point section. So 0 points for some Brussels sprouts. Got some green peppers for 0. I got puree tomatoes, and they are 0 points because they're literally just tomatoes. And I'm gonna use this to make a pasta sauce or a marinara sauce because I do have a couple of spaghetti squash left that I have not used. So I'm gonna use those guys up. Some cherry tomatoes, which are 0, of course, and some zucchini and some, well, this is, yeah, zucchini squash and tomatoes, 0 points. Egg whites, if it's less than 5 tablespoons, it is 0 points. Again, I'll be using that and combine with these for some of those Barrett Pastor recipes. And then I felt like getting some cream of mushroom soup. Not sure what I'm going to do with it exactly, but 1 can is 2 points. So I got 2 of those. I got some refried beans because I think I am going to be doing some tacos, and that's always good with it. So this, you can see half a cup is 2 points. So that will be nice in it. And I got some salsa to go with that also, which is also 0 points. And then bananas, because you guys know I always have bananas, and these guys are starting to go bad. So got some fresh ones. Because I feel like treating myself, I did get some ice cream. This is the Halo Top. So the entire pint is only 280 calories. On Weight Watchers, on the green plan, again, I should say everything is on the Weight Watchers green plan or the Sugar Smart plan on iTrack Bites. It's 11 points, which seems silly for 280 calories. But, you know, I'm having an emotional day, so I'm going to have at least half a cup of that. And then I got some turkey kielbasa because you guys know I love doing stir fries with that. And this is 2 points per 2 ounces, so 16 points for all 13 ounces. And I'm going to try this out. I've never had this before. It's pasta made with cauliflower. And so it is 2 points. 2 ounces is 5 points. The whole box is 19. So I'm going to try that out and see how well that tastes. And then I got some mussels because I don't know if you guys remember, but very recently I had mussels for the very first time. and loved them. So I got some more, and this entire container, all of those, is only 3 points. And again, I'm saying points, but if you're using iTrack bites, they're called bites, and it's the Sugar Smart plan. But green on Weight Watchers. And then got some pork chops because I love pork chops, and they're super low in points. 4 ounces is 3 points. So basically one of these. They're about 4 ounces each. But I did check it, and it's 11 points for the whole thing because it is just under a pound. This I got because it was on sale for 99 cents. This ground beef, a pound of it, for 99 cents. I couldn't pass that up, but it is 80% lean. So on mine, it is 9 points for a fourth of it. I don't know if you can tell, but I drew a little cross. So a fourth of it is 9 points. So I got to be really careful with that. Normally when I cook with ground beef, I eat the whole pound in whatever I'm cooking. So got to be careful there, but 9 points. And then because I do not feel like going to Aldi where they have the 96% fat-free ground beef, which a pound is like 10 points on it, they only had the 90% lean, which is 24 points for the whole pound. So again, I'll have to use that sparingly, but I think combining it with some of my other low or 0 point foods, it will be a lot easier to manage how high in points it is. All right, so there we have everything. And again, sorry guys for the video being so short. I'll do a better one soon. Thanks guys, talk to you later.